Want to use Windows 11 like a pro? Well, Windows Universe, in this episode, we're going to give you some hidden features in Windows 11 you didn't even know existed. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article linked in the description. Let's take a look at some of the multitasking features in Windows 11. Go to Windows, click on Settings, and in System, go down to Multitasking. For those of you that want multiple windows open at once to improve productivity, Snap Layouts is a must for you. Simply hover over the window that you're after, and as you see, you have different setups that you can have to have multiple windows open. And you can place the windows however you wish to have them open at the same time to save you time in going back and forth from window to window. If you want to look at your open windows, you can use the Alt button and Tab to scroll through your open windows and decide which one you want open. In an earlier video, we showed you how to have the Alt tab open also show active Microsoft Edge tabs as well, and we'll include a link in the description. Next, let's look at volume settings in Windows. The mixer feature is accessible by going to Settings, then in System, going to Sound. This is the same feature that enables you to adjust system sound. However, if you didn't know, you can now adjust the volume on individual apps. Simply click on the volume mixer, and all of your open apps that have access to sound, you can adjust the volume on an individual app. New to Windows 11 is a backup options page. To access this, go to Settings, then System, Storage, and look for Backup Options. Here, you can directly sync your folders to OneDrive. You can also adjust features with Remember My Apps and Remember My Features. In Windows 11, we also have the background apps permission. To find this, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, scroll to the apps permission, and you can select the background apps that can use certain permissions like location, voice activation, notifications, contacts, calendar, phone calls, and more. Clipboard can now do more than just copy things to paste. If you press the Windows and the V button, this will open the clipboard. You can access things such as your traditional what you've copied to the clipboard, but you can also do emojis, you can do GIFs, you can do K emojis, you can access symbols. This can really take your writing to a whole new, easier level. Security is also new and improved in Windows 11. If you'll go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, you can see some of the new things that you can adjust to make your Windows experience a lot more secure. Some of these features include secure sign-in options, device security features, built-in security tools and features, data encryption, app launch tracking function, feature to log out when you're away, and a lot more. Windows Update will now estimate about how much time will be required to install certain updates on your PC. Although it's not really easy to test how accurate the estimated update time is, it can still give you an idea of how long an update will take to install. So you know whether or not you can update your PC instantly, or if you want to wait for active hours to finish. You can also schedule the update after active hours. Windows 11 can now adjust how the system can plan its personalized tips and recommendations based on your device usage settings. To do this, go to Settings, then Personalization, and look for Data Usage. You can select more than one cases for your device that may include gaming, family, creativity, business, entertainment. Want to enhance your productivity? Then use the new focus session mode. Search for the clock. Then you can access the focus sessions. This enables users to focus on their work, monitor time spent on a particular task. You can take a break from work after time interval and more. If you're a workaholic, you can make use of this feature to enhance your productivity. Finally, if you are a Linux user, there is a Windows subsystem for Linux. It lets developers run a GNU Linux environment and explore the Linux operating service. WSL is now available in the Microsoft Store. There are many more tweaks, tips, and tricks we cover in another Windows Club video, including such things as how to pin apps to the start menu, how to reset network settings, widgets, and more that we cover in that other video. We will link this video in the description. Be sure to check it out. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.